Alright, we're gonna remove this original receiver that comes with everything. So the first thing is you have to remove this piece right here and that one. It's kind of hard a little bit, but so what you're gonna do is just insert this type of tool, and once you get it out a little bit, you keep pulling. Okay, that one. Alright, that's it. So the next thing, you're gonna remove these 4 screws. I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, and we're gonna remove this right here so you can take it out. Okay, so next thing, I'm gonna remove these 2. We have 2 connections here. I gotta get rid of this one too. Okay. That's it. Finally, these 4. That's it. Alright, so next we're gonna get this bent. We're gonna put it on this one here. Alright, so we need to turn this around and get these 2 screws out. Okay, this is what you want to get. Then you're gonna put it back. Alright, that's it. Okay, these are the brackets that came with the new system, and this is the, I guess, the brain of the system, the main unit, and this is the original one. So what we need is 2 screws because this one didn't come with the screws. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. Put it in here. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. Alright, this is the connection of the cables. All right, from this harness here, 1, 2, 3, 4, the black ones go connected to the car. Okay, these two are going to be connected to this adapter right here. These two going to the main unit. This is the power to the main unit, and this goes to the display. So okay, so we're gonna start connecting things. So first one, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that goes connected to the harness. Right, then we're gonna connect this unit right here. We're gonna start connecting the power. We're gonna leave the power to the end. So this one only fits in here. This is the line in. This one only can be connected here. Now we're gonna take this cable here. It goes to the display. And this one is the internet connection. This one goes connected here. And the internet will need this card, the Wi-Fi card. Okay. I'm gonna throw everything in there. Now this is the reverse camera. Right there. Now we've got the antenna. Goes into the black one. You have 2 connectors for the antenna. So you're looking for the black one. And then this is the USB. And my car has a mini USB connection, so I have to use this adapter. Now I'm gonna connect the GPS antenna and the microphone. Finally, I need to plug in the power. Now you will find out that this thing is making a little noise, so I have to organize everything and put it inside. Okay. All right, a little bit organization here. So I forgot to install this one. It goes in the white connectors. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. This is the thing that reads everything from the car, and that's the reason why we don't have to connect the trigger from the backup camera. Alright, so that's it. So I'm gonna try to put it back, trying to get these 2 cables alright, so I just need to put it in place. There's a lot of cables here. Alright, here we go. Put some screws in there, okay? Alright, this is the only thing we need. This cable right here, because this is gonna be connected to the display, and this one to the controllers. Alright, let's go ahead and finish the installation. Alright, this is the last step. We're gonna connect the main screen and the controllers here. Alright, now it goes back in place. I'm gonna push this in. That's it.